Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Optum Financial mobile app, setup guide step by step clearly. To download the Optum Financial mobile app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Next, open the App Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, locate and tap on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type Optum Financial and hit enter. Browse through the search results until you find the Optum Financial app. Once you locate the app, tap on it to view more details. Next, look for the download or install button and tap it. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap on Open to launch the Optum Financial app. The first time you open the app, you may need to accept the terms and conditions. After accepting, you'll be prompted to log in to your account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and tap Login. If you're a new user, look for the option to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. After logging in, you'll have access to all the features of the Optum Financial app. Ensure your profile information is accurate to enhance your experience. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its various functions. You are now ready to manage your financial health on the go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.